Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're rocking the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 monitor, whether it's the G95Nc or S57cg95 model, you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down the best settings for 2025 to maximize your gaming and viewing experience. This beast of a monitor boasts a massive 57-inch curved display with 8K resolution and a whopping 240Hz refresh rate, but getting the settings just right is key to unlocking its full potential. First up, let's talk about the display mode. I recommend starting with the Gaming preset for fast response times, but if you're watching movies, switch to Cinema for better color accuracy. Set your brightness to around 250 to 300 nits to avoid eye strain in well-lit rooms. Remember, this monitor's mini LED tech gives incredible contrast, so don't crank it too high. Next, dive into the picture settings. Adjust contrast to 70 to 80% for vibrant visuals without washing out details. For color, go with the sRGB mode if you're doing creative work, or enable the Vivid setting for games to make colors pop. Don't forget to tweak the gamma to 2.2 for a balanced look that prevents shadows from looking too dark. Now, for performance, enable FreeSync Premium Pro to sync your GPU and eliminate screen tearing. It's a game changer for high frame rate gaming. Set the response time to Fast or Extreme to minimize motion blur, but test for artifacts. If you're using it for productivity, turn on the Eye Saver mode to reduce blue light. One more tip. In the OSD menu, calibrate your colors using the built-in tools or an external calibrator for the best results in 2025's high-demand content. These settings are optimized for the latest games and apps, but always adjust based on your setup. There you have it. Tweak these for your Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 and level up your setup. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.